You train hard, but what if your muscles aren't actually getting stronger because you're recovering wrong? In the next few minutes, you'll discover the secret techniques that can cut soreness in half, boost growth, and help you come back stronger, starting tonight. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to recover like a pro athlete, even if you're busy, sore, or over 30. You'll learn what actually repairs muscle. Hint, it's not just rest. How to speed up recovery without fancy equipment. The biggest recovery mistakes silently killing your gains. And a simple 7-day action plan you can follow immediately. If you work out but still feel stiff, tired, or plateaued, this is for you. 3. Step-by-step content. Secret techniques for muscle recovery. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Understand what muscle recovery really is. Here's the truth most people miss. Muscles don't grow during workouts, they grow during recovery. When you train, you create tiny micro tears in muscle fibers. Recovery is the process where your body repairs those fibers, reinforces them, and makes them stronger than before. If recovery is poor, you're just breaking muscle down over and over. So every recovery technique you're about to learn has one goal: improve how fast and how well your body repairs itself. Step 2. Prioritize sleep like it's a supplement. If you do nothing else right, fix your sleep. While you sleep, growth hormone spikes, muscle protein synthesis increases, inflammation drops, your nervous system resets. Secret technique: aim for 7 to 9 hours, but more importantly, go to bed at the same time every night. Keep your room cool and dark. Avoid screens 60 minutes before bed. If sleep were a pill, it would be the most powerful recovery drug ever created. Step 3. Master post-workout nutrition timing. You don't need fancy supplements, but timing matters. Within 30 to 90 minutes after training, your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients. Focus on protein, 20 to 40 grams, chicken, eggs, protein shake, Greek yogurt. Carbs helps replenish glycogen and reduce soreness. Water and electrolytes. Dehydration slows recovery dramatically. Secret technique: add fast-digesting carbs post-workout, even if you're cutting. It helps recovery without sabotaging fat loss. Step 4. Use active recovery, not just rest. One of the biggest myths: rest days mean doing nothing. In reality, active recovery speeds healing. Examples: light walking, easy cycling, mobility flows, swimming, resistance band work. This increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to sore muscles while flushing out waste products. Rule of thumb: if it helps you feel better, not worse, it's working. Step 5. Control inflammation, don't eliminate it. Inflammation isn't the enemy, it's part of the healing process. The problem is chronic inflammation. Instead of popping painkillers constantly, eat anti-inflammatory foods like berries, fatty fish, or turmeric. Stay hydrated. Manage stress. Stress delays recovery more than bad workouts. Secret technique: cold exposure, like cold showers or ice baths, can reduce soreness, but use it sparingly. Too much can actually blunt muscle growth. Step 6. Mobility and fascia work. Sore muscles aren't often tight, they're restricted. Adding 10 minutes of foam rolling, massage balls, or dynamic stretching can restore range of motion and reduce pain. Pro tip: roll slowly and breathe. If you're grimacing and rushing, you're missing the benefit. Step 7. Train smarter, not just harder. Recovery starts with how you train. If you're maxing out every session, never deloading, ignoring form, you're digging a recovery hole you can't climb out of. Secret technique: leave 1 to 2 reps in reserve on most sets. This allows progress without destroying your recovery capacity. Now, common muscle recovery mistakes. Let's expose the mistakes that keep people sore and stuck. Mistake number 1. Thinking more training equals more results. More training without recovery equals burnout. Mistake number 2. Ignoring sleep but buying supplements. Supplements don't replace sleep, ever. Mistake number 3. Skipping warm-ups and cool-downs. This increases soreness and injury risk. Mistake number 4, using painkillers as recovery tools. They mask pain, not fix the problem. Mistake number 5, eating too little protein. If your body doesn't have building blocks, it can't rebuild muscle. Avoid these and you'll recover faster automatically. 7-Day Muscle Recovery Action Plan. Here's a simple plan you can follow this week. Day 1 to 2. Sleep 8 hours. Post-workout protein and carbs. 10 minutes of mobility before bed. Day 3. Active Recovery Day. 30-minute walk or light cardio. Foam roll tight areas. Day 4. Train as usual but stop sets 1 to 2 reps before failure. Hydrate aggressively. Day 5. Add omega-3 rich food like salmon, walnuts, or flax. Stretch hips, shoulders, and back. Day 6. Light movement only. Focus on breath work or relaxation. Day 7. Reflect. Are you less sore, stronger, more energized? Adjust next week based on how your body feels. Repeat this cycle and recovery becomes automatic. Now it's your turn. If this helped you understand muscle recovery on a deeper level, like this video so more lifters see it, subscribe for science-backed training and recovery strategies, and comment below, which recovery technique are you going to try first? Remember, your workouts don't build your body, your recovery does. Train smart, recover smarter, and I'll see you in the next one.